Hi, welcome back to my Jamboree vlogs. It's officially 2 days now until I basically am dragging this bag out of the house and heading to the services. That's like terrifying, sad and exciting because it's been like this whole sort of 2 years sort of thing, and it's always been building up to this, and then it's just crazy that it's actually happening. Do you know when something you've been planning something for so long, but it's just always so seemed fake? It's like that. It was never actually meant to happen. The Jamboree's not meant to happen. So that's terrifying. But I'm also absolutely buzzing because in a week's time, just a week's time, I'll literally be on the Jamboree. I remember thinking about this in year 7 and being like, oh, it's gonna be so cool. I really hope I get picked. And then finding out I get picked. Then the first unit camp, and then starting off doing craft fairs and backpacks and everything, and now it's officially happening because I finished school at 1:30, and 12 hours later I'll be at the services about to leave to go all the way up to Edinburgh to get a flight to New York to spend some time in New York and all of that, which is terrifying. And it's weird being sat here with these bags because I remember panicking, being oh my god, the bag's not going to be that big, then getting it and thinking the bag's quite big, and then packing it and being, oh, the bag's not that big because this weighs a ton and I can barely lift it, and I think I need to take some stuff out of it. But we've had a field day with trying to personalise this bag. I've got paracord on there, I've got loads of little tea bears down here, I've got the massive quilted tea bear up here, and some other little random patches which I would try and show you, but I'm scared this bag will just topple. And there's in here I've got everything I'm gonna need basically. I've got stuff for themed nights, I've got everyday stuff, I've got literally everything in this bag. And then I've got this little guy. I absolutely love this bag. I've bonded with this bag because I've personalised it loads. I've got loads of little random badges on. I've got a Levi badge from when I went to Chicago, and I've got some little Canada and USA patches here. I've got the Troll Poppy badge here, just so I know it's mine. I've got another one of those quilted bears, which is so cute. And I've got little pineapples on the handles. I've got more little paracord things. And I've got this little ancient McDonald's raccoon thing. Just because our leaders mentioned that if you leave food in your tents, then you might have some little raccoons visiting you. So I just thought I'd just add that onto the bag. This makes it so real and exciting and weird to think that I'll be turning up to the Jamboree, dragging this along, carrying this with my back breaking, wearing this shirt, this necker, and then looking around and seeing all the different countries, all their different bags. And even being in the airports and stuff, it's so weird. I could talk about it for ages. Everyone at school is probably sick to death of us mentioning it. And every day I've been messaging on my group chat of friends going there's 6 days left, 4 days now, it's a week, and every morning they wake up terrified because they're oh god, there's less and less days. And oh, I could just talk about this for ages. I'm so excited and so freaked out, but I just can't wait. I just want to be there now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me next time after the Jamboree when I'll be telling you about my experience, talking for hours about boring stories that you probably don't care about but were really interesting to me at the time. So I hope you enjoyed this little Jamboree journey in its own thing. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and join me next time after the Jamboree. Bye!